everyone and welcome. Have you ever felt like you're playing a guessing game with Google Ads? You put your keywords, write your ads, but you just don't know there's a whole world of valuable traffic and potential customer you're probably missing. What if Google's powerful AI could help you find that missing puzzle piece? Today we are not just scratching the surface, we'll be diving deep into something pretty new and pretty exciting, which is Google Ads AI Max. We'll talk about what it is, how it actually works, and why it could be a complete game changer for your campaigns. We'll clear up any confusions you might have with its bigger sibling, which is Performance Max, and give you a step-by-step guide on how to get started. If you're interested in similar kind of content, do like, share, and subscribe. Do not forget to hit that bell and stay updated. But first, a quick quiz. Let us know what do you think is the biggest challenge when a business tries to be found online. Is it finding the right words, managing customers, handling the shipping, or creating the products? Do let us know your answer in the comment section below. Also, just a quick information. In today's fast-changing business world, digital marketing is just not a skill. It's a superpower. And now you can master it with professional certificate in digital marketing by Simplilearn in collaboration with the SP Jain School of Global Management, which is ranked 7 in APAC by Bloomberg Business Week. In just 8 months, you will gain hands-on experience with 35 plus tools like Google Ads, Meta Business Suite, HubSpot, HotSuite, Zoho CRM, and more. You'll work on 20 plus real-world projects and dive into 10 plus case studies of global brands like Adidas, KFC, and Nike, and learn directly from SP Jain's top faculty and industry experts. With the digital marketing industry expected to hit $786 billion by 2026, the demand for skilled marketers is skyrocketing. Through Job Assist Plus, you will get AI-powered profile optimization, mock interviews, and targeted job support, giving you an edge with top hiring companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook, IBM, and MasterCard. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up and enroll now. The link is given in the description box as well as in the comment section below. Okay, so let's start with the basics. So if you want to create a Google ad or a campaign, you would usually have to fill a ton of details yourself. You would spend hours on keyword research, manual typing, every phase you could think of, hoping to catch what customers were searching for. Then you would have to write few different ad headlines and description and choose one specific landing page for your ad to go. Essentially, you are the one doing all the heavy lifting, acting as one-person marketing team for every single ad. Now there is a new option that's a toggle which activates AI Max. Where do you access this option? If you observe, while filling on the details in your ad via Google Ads, there is an option called AI Max. When you click on it, you will find information regarding AI Max, and down you can see a toggle to activate this option. There is also customization in which you can choose which feature is best suited for your ad. With this new feature, you still provide the core information such as business goals, your website, and some initial keywords to get started. But instead of doing all this manual labor, you now have a strategic partner with Google AIs. Once you flip that toggle, the system handles the rest by finding new relevant search terms based on the user intent. So your ads are seen by people you might have missed before. It also dynamically creates countless ads variations for you, pulling in details from your website to make the ad copy as relevant as possible for each user. And it sends the user to the best fitting landing page on your site, which increases the likelihood of a conversion. Ultimately, the process of creating a Google ad has shifted from being a manual, tactic job to static one, where you guide the AI to focus on high-level goals while the system optimizes for you. Think of AI Max not as a brand new campaign type, but more like a powerful upgrade for your existing search campaigns. It's basically Google saying, hey, you have got smart new AI tools and you can plug them directly into what you have already been doing. And it's built on 3 key features, or what I'd call it 3 pillars. The first one is called search term matching. This is all about finding new customers. The old way of doing things was to build massive keyword list. You would use broad match, but it was often a bit wild and brought in a lot of irrelevant traffic. With AI Max, the system is much smarter. Instead of just focusing on exactly keywords you have entered, Google's AI looks at the intent behind the search. It understands the underlying meaning of the query. Let's say you are selling premium men's athletic socks. Your old keyword strategy might only focus on the phrase like running socks for men or best gym socks. But what about someone who searches for marathon gear for a sweaty feet or comfortable compression socks for training? Your old keyword list would likely miss those. But with AI Max, the system understands the user's intents and can show your ad, helping you reach new people who are already interested in what you sell. This expands your reach in a highly intellectual way, beyond your generic keyword match. This option is available in Google Search and Ads by default. The second feature is asset optimization. This is all about making your ad more relevant and saving you a ton of time. It has two parts, the first one being text customization and final URL expansion. Let's talk about text customization. Have you ever spent hours writing 100 different headlines and descriptions? With AI Max, the AI looks at your landing pages and existing ads to automatically create ad copy that's perfect match for what the user is looking for. This allows you to serve up super personalized ad without the manual effort. The second part is being final URL expansion. Final URL expansion is on the same page. The AI can send them the best fitting page on your website. So if someone searches for women's long sleeve running shirts, they'll go directly to the product category on your site, not just your general homepage. This improves the user experience and can drastically increase your conversion rate. And finally, you get new reporting and controls. Don't worry, you're not handling over a total control. You can still tell Google which brands to include or exclude. In your search terms report, you will see AI Max as a new match type, and you can click on it to see exactly what new searches and ad variations are working best because of AI. It's all a very transparent and gives you the data you need to make smart decisions. So why should you care about all this? Well, AI Max can give you some serious results. I'm talking about an average of 14% boost in conversions without a big change in your budget. And if you have been using a very strict old school keyword list, you could see the number jump even higher. But it's not just about numbers, it's about saving time and efforts. AI Max takes all the tedious work out of your keyword research and ad writing. This frees up you to focus on a big picture and the parts of your business that actually really needs your attention. Imagine you run a custom surfboard shop in California. Your old Google ad strategy was based on exact match keywords for custom surfboard and surfboard shop in San Diego. You got some clicks, but you knew you were missing on a lot. The first problem being you weren't showing up for searches like best big wave surfboards or handmade boards for beginners. You're missing a huge audience. Adding on this problem, there was another issue, which is when the user searched for surfboard repair San Diego, your ad for a new custom board would show up. This was irrelevant and it wasted your ad spend. With AI Max, you turn on the features and AI immediately starts showing your ads for a new queries like high performance epoxy boards and even light board surfboards for travel. It recognizes the intent behind these searches and connects them to your business. The final URL expansion feature sends the user searching for high-performance boards to your high-performance product page, and the text customization feature creates the ad that talks about high-performance designs in the headline. Your ads become more relevant, your clicks are better, and your sales go up. Now let's talk about the big question. How does AI Max fit into bigger Google Ads picture? AI Max versus Performance Max. This is the most common point of confusion. AI Max is an add-on for your search campaigns only. It's designed to make your existing search strategy smarter. Performance Max, on the other hand, is a complete separate campaign type that reaches customers across Google's platforms including YouTube, Gmail, Display, and Search. You can use both together, but they do different things. PMax is the full funnel marketing, while AI Max is maximizing your search presence. And what about smart bidding? Smart bidding is an automated bidding strategy that's a part of AI Max toolkit. Think of it this way. Smart bidding decides how much to pay, and AI Max decides who to show your ads to and what to show them. They are a team. So, who should use AI Max? I would say it's perfect for anyone who wants to scale their search campaigns and feel like they have hit a plateau with different current keyword strategy. It's especially useful if you have a lot of different products or services. My best advice will be to try it out, run a simple campaign, experiment to see what kind of difference it makes on your business. It's a great way to test the waters without going all in. The world of digital marketing is constantly changing, and staying ahead means embracing new tools like AI. This isn't just a fun new feature, it's the future. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more such content. If there is any query, do let us know in the comment section below. Our team of experts will get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, keep learning with Simplilearn.